With the war in the Middle East continuing to rage on, the closure of the Strait of Hormuz, the prices of oil are going up significantly week by week, and there is no sight that it's going to be opening anytime soon. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save fuel on your drives. So, the biggest tip to save fuel is anticipation or foresight. So, here's an example of me taking off from a traffic light. The light is green ahead, so I'm just accelerating. I do see that there's a traffic light up ahead, which is currently red. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my foot off the pedal and let it coast, using momentum to slow my car down. I'm anticipating it's going to go green again. So again, I'm waiting for that moment. It's amber, downshift to third gear, and I continue my cruise. What most people do here is they accelerate fast to the traffic light, come to a dead stop, 0 miles an hour, then take off again, which uses a lot more fuel. Now, if we use leverage like we did here, this will save a lot of fuel in the long term. Here is another example just down the road. So I've passed these green traffic lights. Up ahead is also green, but I see a car in front of me, so I've taken my foot off the gas completely. It's using momentum to push the car forward. When I get to a safe enough speed and distance, I will continue accelerating and cruising this dual carriageway.